Okay, so what'll happen is if you continue to stay here and we continue to get complaints, it could end up that we have to detain you until we determine who you are.
So we got a call that you were sitting here.
Okay.
Are you a private investigator or something?
I don't really answer questions.
To know if you have the right to be in one of these locations. If you're trespassed from, say, the military establishment, you can't be videoing.
Everything good with you though?
I don't answer questions, man. Can I get an incident number?
If you're trespassing
Yeah,
in the
that's
airport,
not that's
you can't be videoing in the airport.
that's not lawful. I'm sorry.
I always say it on my videos, guys. Why are cops so damn dumb, ladies and gentlemen, on simple, basic laws, especially when it comes to the Constitution? It's not that hard. It's not rocket science. Today, I got another female, ignorant police officer to expose to you guys that thinks that she can just bully people around, just like this cameraman here that knows his rights and puts her in her place and makes her do the walk of shame. Now, you're going to love this video, guys, as much as I did. I'm going to make sure to drop the original link to this video where I found this video at Coast Auditor. Now, this man is old school, guys, and doesn't mean you can't still learn from his videos. Now, this man is simply taking video on public property, not bothering anybody, just exercising his rights peacefully and respectfully until somebody just doesn't like what he's doing. And, of course, they're going to waste taxpayers' money and resources. You know how we do it here on the Surreal Cam channel and on all my channels, exposing the ignorance from law enforcement, the corruption, and all the whole 9 yards, guys. Now, with that being said, pop your popcorns and roll one up.
What's going on? What's happening? Are you just taking videos of the airport?
Who are you?
It's okay. TSA's already called security, so
That's great.
yeah. What's
great.
happened?
Nothing to say to you. You haven't identified yourself to me.
Okay.
You can
That's okay.
you can stand there. I'll just film you. Well, I tell the cops that I'm not doing anything illegal.
No, you're not. You're not doing anything illegal. I'm just checking in on you, just making sure everything's all set.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you had we had some surveys going on for the crosswalk here. I didn't know if you were dealing
No
with
survey.
that. No surveying?
I guess it's a survey of sorts, but not
Okay.
not that type. Not a
Okay.
physical survey.
Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure you were all set.
Sure am.
Now, this cameraman is outside. He's not even inside a building. He's not inside the airport. He's on public property outside, not bothering anybody. And it's pretty pathetic how people say, oh, you're not doing anything illegal. We just came to check up on you to see if you need any type of help and try to kill with kindness. But at the same time, they already called men with guns to the scene that are on the way, usually in these type of situations. For what? For one thing only, to lock you up in a dungeon. Now let me rephrase that. Not only men with guns, it can be females too, just like this one's about to show up. Let's take a look.
Name and identification or badge number. Name and identification or badge number, please.
Pardon?
Name or identification number, however you guys do it.
Officer Wiggins, we don't have
All right.
badge number.
I always ask.
So- No, we just had gotten a call. Someone was watching you a video and they didn't know what was going on, so
That's me.
they called us to make contact. So that's what I'm here for. So, are you reporting something in particular?
I don't answer questions. No, just
Okay.
you see it.
What's your name?
I don't have to give it.
No.
No.
Okay. Well, I gave you mine. So
You're a
I
public.
figured
You're a
I'd
public employee.
ask. Fine.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
just for my safety and my record.
Okay.
Do
So
you
you're
yeah.
on public
Yeah.
property right here.
Mhm.
They just asked that you don't go inside.
I
the
know,
airport
yeah.
unless you're flying. Or
Yeah,
anything.
I don't plan to trespass today or do anything nefarious.
Okay.
Just what you see is what you get with me.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So I'll go in and make contact with them.
Yeah, let them know. There was a lady in the Sweet Thai place that came out and said, you can't film the base, you can't do this and that, and telling me I'm not within my rights to do it. And it might be good to ease her, to let her know that what I'm doing is not illegal, so that she doesn't feel unsafe. But I think she works for Sweet Chili.
Okay.
All I was doing was filming the.
Was she wearing an apron or anything? Or?
Yeah, she came out of the door from that. But I mean, just to ease her mind, because she didn't stay out long enough for me to tell her that I'm not doing anything wrong.
Nope, you are allowed to video.
I mean, they put all this cool stuff to film. You got a Huey, over there. You got a tank down there. I mean, you're just asking for people to
If you're
come.
looking for the other tank, there's another one over at the VF.
Yeah, at the Armory, isn't it?
Nope, not the Legion, but if you go like the Armory Street, but if you take the Capitol Street extension, there's a American Legion post in there. You can
Yeah.
post too, but there's another tank out there.
Awesome. Thank you.
Now, in my opinion, I think this is where this encounter should have ended at. I think this cop should have just gotten her vehicle after and just go upon her day. But no, she had to come back and try to kill with kindness even more. Check this out.
Just to clarify with you, since there's no pedestrian sidewalk on this side, if I cross and use that sidewalk, would I be within the law, or do I have to stay on the breakdown lane?
No, you can use the sidewalk over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've
We always ask if the sidewalk.
airports
Well-
and I've been hemmed up before for stupid stuff like that.
Okay.
Walking the pedestrian path and being told it's private property.
Well, as far as here when you cross, I mean, if you go over there, but if the sidewalk is over there,
Yeah.
to be able to follow the sidewalk down.
Okay.
You know, we understand that you'd have to be able to use
All right.
that area.
Now that I have it reworded, I don't, you know.
So, but one of the concerns is this is a traffic.
Yeah.
issue
Nobody's
as far as
nobody's
scooters.
passed me since you came.
So-
So nobody's gone by me on the sidewalk.
So one of the concerns though is that you're so close to the crosswalk, cars are gonna get confused. This is already a
Yeah.
issue for pedestrians crossing and their safety, just because of the corner and they can't see. So
I'm not
if you
actually in
wanna
the crosswalk though.
No, but you're so close when you come around the corner.
Yeah.
So we just, if you want to move to a different location, it's less confusing for cars.
I'm always baffled that even though myself and the public official come to the conclusion that everything I'm doing is with my rights, there's always some stipulation, some rule, some
We just make
advice.
suggestions,
Yeah,
give
but I
advice.
mean-
we're looking to keep everybody safe.
Yeah,
you
I'm-
and the
I'm-
other people around.
I'm 35 years old. I've served in the military. I've been in dangerous situations. I'm okay right here, and people see me filming. They know I'm not crossing. This kind of makes me look stationary. Now, if I was right there and in the breakdown lane, they would stop.
And the other issue is that people are having to cross from the airport, which is how we actually got the call. Okay, that someone felt unsafe when we out here.
And then that's not my issue. I mean, if I was holding a sign that said something that I agreed with, and somebody said that made me feel uncomfortable.
You were filming this person, and
They're in public. There's no privacy, and I don't film anybody specifically. I'm just filming a general area. Only time I ever film anybody is when they approach me. That's the only time you get my undivided attention.
So, if we have to continue to deal with you, though, we don't know if you're trespassing government properties or state agencies because you haven't provided our name.
So I'm going to be punished for calls for legal activity.
So, do you want to let me finish talking?
Well, that's what you're making it sound
What
like.
I'm trying to say is I don't know who you are because you haven't given me your name. I don't know if you've already been, you said you've been hemmed up before for stuff, so I don't know if you are not providing me your name because you are trespassed from a location and you know you're not supposed to be there. I've never dealt with you before, so I don't know if you are currently trespassed from any of these area businesses. I don't know. Okay, so what'll happen is if you continue to stay here and we continue to get complaints, it could end up that we have to detain you until we determine who you are, to know if you have the right to be in one of these locations. But if you're trespassed from, say, the military establishment, you can't be videoed. If you're trespassed
Yeah,
in
that's
the
not-
airport,
that's-
you can't be videoed in the airport.
That's not lawful. I'm sorry.
So-
We're in the First District Federal Court. They already ruled you can film in public.
We have to continue to deal with
You're going to
now.
punish me for people making false police reports of lawful activity.
If somebody makes a report, I have to respond.
Yeah, and you have to have
That's
probable
my
cause that I am or about or have committed a crime. Do you have any probable
That's
cause
the
that I'm
concern.
committing a
I
crime?
don't know if you've committed a
Then
crime.
you have no probable cause to ask me
Yes,
for
I
ID.
do.
That's not how it works in the state of Maine. No, it doesn't.
We don't know if you're trespassing.
So
in one of
me
these locations.
exercising my lawful right to stand here and film is in some way construed as
You
illegal.
haven't been standing here the entire time.
Yeah, I've been walking because it's a lot to see. Is that an issue?
But if you, I don't know if you've set foot on the property. If you
I'm
stepped
sure you
over
would.
here,
You know,
it's
with the
state
security. Excuse me, public property. This is though, and I never went on that.
But that's what I'm saying. I wasn't here the whole time. I've only came up and seen you here. We've gotten reports that you've been walking around. We were against the fence line filming. So our concern is that what your business is here.
And as long as I haven't committed a crime, I don't have to identify, and what I do is my own business.
So,
you know.
we just want you to know, okay, going forward, if we do continue to deal with you, there could be other repercussions that we have to do, okay?
So just for the record, because we said a lot in this little back and forth, you're saying if I stay here and people call on me for lawful activity, you will come out here and you will proceed with trying to ID me?
Yes.
And under what probable cause?
The fact that we don't know if you're committing a crime, I don't know if you're sex offender.
Then if you don't know,
If
then you
you're a
have...
sex offender, there's a new law in place that says you can't be videoing people in public without their permission.
Do you know me?
Quick heads up, ladies and gentlemen, I did not mention this yet throughout this video, but stay tuned because right after this encounter here, I added an extra bonus feature clip that you're not going to want to miss from a different channel, and I thought it was important to bring to your attention. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Enforcing feelings. The ignorance runs deep. I always say it also in my videos, guys. Something so simple that she should already be aware of and be educated on, but of course she's not. And it's all about control. It's all about power. It's all about her flexing her authority for no damn reason on somebody that's peacefully taking video and exercising his rights. I don't know. You let me know in the comment section so far about this.
So,
Do you know who I am?
I told you I do not know you.
So you're acting on the
why I said
basis
I
of the
don't
presumption
know.
of guilty before you can prove.
No, we need to know who you are. If you
And
don't
until
wanna tell us,
until you tell me a law that I've broken or about to break or have
I'm not gonna
broken.
continue. I've repeated myself so many
Yeah, and it's unlawful directives. I'll stand right here the rest of the day then. On your oath. So there you go. They're saying if I stand here and they get more calls, I'm going to be punished for calls to them for lawful activity.
Good job by the camera guy. Very cool, calm, collected, and professional. So yeah, I give him 2 thumbs up. Now let's go over to the next bonus feature clip that I added on this video now that comes to you from the YouTube channel LAC Audit.
Hey, you doing, sir?
Doing good. Name and badge number?
What's up?
Name and badge number?
I'm Triana 130.
All right.
So we got a call that you were sitting here.
Okay.
Are you a private investigator or something?
I don't really answer questions.
Okay. Do you live around here?
I don't answer questions.
No? Everything okay?
I don't answer questions. Hey, hey, what's up, man? Can I get your name and badge number?
All right.
Yeah. Trauma Trans, badge number 129.
All right. Well, we got a call that you're sitting around here. I guess somebody came up and talked to you.
Can I get incident number?
An incident number?
Call for service number, incident number, whatever you want to call it.
I can get that for you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
All
that.
right. I'm just letting you know why we're here. I mean, you're legally parked. There's really not much going on, but they called us. We come out here, see what's going on. All right. Everything good with you, though?
I don't answer questions, man. Can I get an incident number?
All right. Well, give me 1 second. I'll
No
get it.
problem, man. Sure.
How's your day?
Good question, man. But I'm gonna answer that one. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah. That's fine.
Got chilly.
It is. It is. They expect it to be a bit warmer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to short sleeves.
Oh.
I think he made the right choice.
But I'm sure you like this better, though, right?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just hope it warms up a little bit.
Yeah, it might. How long have you been in the job?
Coming on 3 years.
3 years? Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. All right. I appreciate your professionalism.
Of course. Of course. He's just grabbing the incident number for you.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
gonna write it out for you.
No problem. What exactly did the caller say, if you don't mind me asking?
I think if you were just legally here.
Illegally or
Legally.
That's what they said?
I believe so, yeah.
Oh, you guys still show up for that? I mean,
Any call for service.
any call?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No problem. No problem.
I'm not sure if he told you as well where our cameras are on.
Yeah, I see. I see. I usually request a body cam if it's a bad encounter, so, but it's not a bad encounter, so I'm not gonna worry about that.
All right, he's got the number for you.
Lovely.
All right. Here you go.
Much appreciated, man.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
You too, man.
Now, I know there wasn't that much action in this encounter, guys, but I also think it's very important to shine light in these type of encounters as well. Why? Because it also teaches you what happens when you don't answer questions. It also shows who are the good cops, the professional ones, who are the bad ones. And of course, there's more bad than good here in this country. Sad to say, but these videos prove it for themselves, guys. And also, it shows how quick you can get rid of cops in a snap of a finger, just like this guy just did. But that doesn't mean that's going to work with every cop. It'll only work with the good cops, just like these two cops were in this video, guys, because you know the tyrants are going to escalate immediately. It'll help you in the long run if you don't answer questions, believe me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Drop your thoughts in the comments about these two channels and these two videos. Let me know what you think, guys. And we'll see you in the comment section. And I'm going to drop all their links in the description below, of course. Go over there and check out some of their videos. You can get educated from them. No matter how old the videos are, I always say it doesn't matter. They still got a lot of value. And by the way, the old school videos are the best ones. Thank you, guys. We'll see you in the comments and on the next one. Rest in peace, Jay Surreal.